Solutions Review presents The Breach of the Month. June 2021 saw multiple high-profile cyber incidents. Over 8 billion passwords were uploaded to a hackers forum in a resource called RockU 2021. EA had their video game source code stolen by hackers, and financial software company Intuit informed its customers of potential account takeovers. But nothing quite compares to the JBS Foods attack. The world's largest producer of beef and poultry suffered a ransomware attack, forcing it to shut down production of all its U.S. slaughterhouses. After 8 days, the company finally agreed to pay the hackers $11 million to end the disruption and restore operations. This, combined with the attack on Colonial Pipeline a month earlier, indicates hackers are focusing more of their attacks on critical supply chain companies where service outages can cause serious, real-world damage. The pressure on these companies to resolve the cyber attack quickly often results in a large payday. Don't become the next headline. Protect your business with the latest ransomware and endpoint security measures. And to learn more about cybersecurity, click the link below to download our free buyer's guide, available exclusively at solutionsreview.com. In the meantime, click or tap the icons on screen to watch a related video, and subscribe to be notified of future uploads. My name is Jonathan Paula. Thanks for watching.